I wish there was a way to know you were in the good old days before you've actually left them. That quote is from the one and only Andy Bernard. I'd heard it before, but this time it really hit a nerve. I've been working so much lately, and I've really been feeling that my kids are growing up too fast. It was a good reminder to stop, take a break, and try to really appreciate this time in my life. There's a really cool spot in Oregon that I've been wanting to take the family to for years, but we always seem to be able to come up with excuses for why we can't go. No more excuses, we're going on a road trip. We are in my old stomping grounds, and every time we're in town, there's one place we have to go eat. Right? That's good. Firestone Grill is famous for their tri-tip sandwiches. It's definitely a must if you're in the San Luis Obispo area. After a quick bite to eat, we headed out to our first destination. After checking into our hotel, we explored this cool little town for a bit before finding some clam chowder bread bowls for dinner. After dinner, we found a really fun mirror maze to explore, and then we called it a night because we had a busy day the next day. All right, we're checking out of our hotel, the Intercontinental, and we're heading out to one of Monterey's main attractions. Monterey Bay Aquarium is awesome, and they have a bunch of really cool exhibits. Our favorite were the otters. I wish we had more time here, but we had to hit the road to make it to our second destination. After an 8-hour drive, we finally made it to Redwood National Park. Today, we're checking out a place called Trees of Mystery. It's a great place to walk around amongst the giant redwoods. They have a ton of suspension bridges, and they even have a gondola ride through the trees. The Trees of Mystery is pretty awesome. Paul Bunyan and his ox were really fun too. On our way back to the hotel, we found this amazing beach. We had a perfect sunset, giant redwoods at our back, and a beautiful rocky shoreline. We even found a family of otters. The beach was definitely one of the highlights of the entire vacation and was the perfect end to a perfect day. We started off by seeing the former tallest tree in the world. A very uniquely named tree called the Big Tree. You guys, how's the view up there?
good. It's super cool.
Today was all about exploring as much as possible. Redwood National Park is truly incredible. There are endless trails and breathtaking views around every turn. This is definitely one of my favorite places in all of California. Last day in Redwood National Park. This place, it's pretty incredible, huh? We finally made it to our main destination. We are at the Out and About Treehouse Resort in Cave Junction, Oregon. We stayed in a treehouse named Pleasant Tree, and it's 30 feet up in the air. Walking into our treehouse, we got the bunks on the left. This is where the kids are gonna crash. We have a full bathroom, sink. Oh, there's a fridge. Got a shower and a toilet in there. And there's the loft. This was the main purpose for our road trip. We wanted to make it to this place. It's called Out and About Treesort. So right now we're about 30 or 40 feet up in the air. Check this out. We're about 40 feet up. Suspension bridges on both sides to get to our tree house. All right, how's it look up there? Let's see. Oh, not a lot of room up there, but enough room to sleep.
There's enough room to sleep. Just not stand.
There's a good view out of that window, I bet. All right, what everybody's probably curious about is how big is the bathroom?
We need extra.
Not very big. How about the shower? I'm about 6 feet tall. All right, I guess I can shower in here. It's not very big, but it'll work. It's better than communal showers, that's for sure. Out and About is such a fun place. The tree houses are connected by suspension bridges. There's horseback riding, zip lining, swimming, so much fun stuff to do. We spent our last day in Oregon doing a little zip lining. It was so much fun, and our guides were awesome. Good morning. What a perfect way to end our stay at the treehouse. We did some zip lining, which I highly recommend. The zip lining tour at Out and About is incredible, and the tour guides are awesome. The kids and I had a blast. It was super fun. But now we drove 7 or 8 hours down to Santa Cruz, California. This is our last stop. We don't really have anything on the agenda, so we're just gonna cruise around. We're gonna explore, probably head over to the boardwalk and just see what kind of stuff there is to do here. We're heading out to the boardwalk to check it out. There it is. This place is so cool. This looks like such a fun place to live. There's a bowling alley, like some roller coasters. I don't even care if my soul is gone. Santa Cruz is such a cool town, and the boardwalk is iconic. We rode a bunch of rides and ate some really good food. It was the perfect way to end this road trip. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. This is something that I've always wanted to do, and I'm so glad that we did it. Little sad eyes. These are memories that will last us forever. Little sad eyes. Love will come, love will go. But when you're strong, you never ask why. But can you learn to love your weakest side? Well, Santa Cruz Boardwalk is amazing. We had a super fun time. The kids pretty much rode every big ride there is out here. We got some good food, bought some good merch, but that's the end of our vacation. I think it's time to head home. Probably a 5 to 6 hour drive home. But it was all worth it. We came out here, we made some memories. I think this is a trip that the family will never forget. I think Andy might have been right. These are the good old days, for sure.